Chapter 3: Types of books you can publish on Amazon KDP. E-books. E-books are digital versions of books that can be read on a variety of devices such as Kindle e-readers, smartphones, tablets, and computers. Amazon KDP allows you to publish your book as an e-book and sell it on the Amazon Kindle store to readers around the world. I highly recommend the book Self-Publishing Your Book on Amazon KDP, The KDP Formula by Saurav Dash. This comprehensive guide covers everything from writing and formatting your book to navigating Amazon's marketplace for maximum profit. It reveals the secrets of self-publishing, helping you master book marketing and generate income. Designed to transform writers into published authors, it makes the process both feasible and economical. Save resources, reach readers worldwide, and start your authorial journey today with this tactical roadmap. Get your copy now before it is too late. This investment will be a boon for a lifetime. Join me for a one-on-one coaching session on the entire self-publishing process on Amazon KDP. In these personalized sessions, you will learn everything from writing and formatting your book to mastering marketing strategies and maximizing your profits. Your one-time investment will provide maximum benefits, helping you become a successful author and manage the self-publishing process independently. You will gain hands-on experience and practical tips tailored to your unique needs. Reach us at blazegoodburst.com, email us or WhatsApp us. All information is in the description below. Benefits: ebooks have lower production costs as there are no printing or shipping costs involved. They can be downloaded instantly by readers, providing immediate access to your book. Considerations: when creating an ebook, you need to ensure that your book is properly formatted for digital reading. This includes creating a clickable table of contents, ensuring images display correctly, and making sure the text is readable on different device sizes. Paperbacks. Paperbacks are traditional print books that readers can hold in their hands. Amazon KDP offers print-on-demand services, which means your paperback books are printed only when a customer buys a copy, eliminating the need for upfront inventory costs. Benefits: paperbacks give readers a physical copy of your book, which some readers prefer. They can also be sold in bookstores and other retail outlets. Considerations: the cost of printing and shipping paperbacks can reduce your profit margin. You will also need to consider the design of your book cover and interior, which requires a different set of skills compared to formatting an ebook. Hardcovers. Hardcovers are similar to paperbacks, but with a rigid protective cover, often with a dust jacket. They are typically more durable and are considered a premium product, often sold at a higher price point. Benefits: hardcovers offer a premium look and feel, which can make your book more appealing to certain readers. They can also command a higher retail price, potentially increasing your profits. Considerations: like paperbacks, hardcovers have higher production costs due to the materials used. They also require careful design to ensure the cover and dust jacket look professional. Differences and considerations for each type. Each type of book, ebook, paperback, and hardcover, has its own advantages and considerations. Ebooks are cost effective and easy to distribute globally, but they require careful formatting to ensure a good reading experience. Paperbacks offer a tangible product that many readers love, but they come with higher production costs. Hardcovers provide a premium product that can command higher prices, but they require a significant investment in design and production. When deciding which types of books to publish, consider your target audience, your budget, and your personal preferences as an author. You might decide to publish in all three formats to reach the widest possible audience, or you might choose to focus on one format that best suits your book and your readers. In the next chapter, we will delve into the world of ISBNs and why they are important for your self-publishing journey. Stay tuned. If you prefer to avoid the hassle of self-publishing, we have got you covered. Reach out to us anytime and we will handle everything for you, from formatting your manuscript into an ebook, paperback, and hardcover to publishing it on Amazon KDP. We take care of every detail. Our team of experts ensures your book meets all the necessary standards and stands out in the marketplace. You won't need to worry about any aspect of the process. We are here to support you every step of the way, whether it's designing an eye-catching cover, optimizing your book's metadata for better discoverability, or setting up your author profile. We have got it all covered. Let us be your dedicated supporter on this journey to becoming a published author. Visit us at blazeboardburst.com to get started. Your dream of seeing your book in the hands of readers worldwide is just a click away.